Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our what sold video, so don't blink or you'll miss it. This will be an extremely short video because as you can see on the screen and as the thumbnail announced, worst sales day I've had in probably 6 months maybe 5 months anyway. Yeah, horrible. Sales have definitely fallen off a cliff this week. Let's go ahead and get started with these sales. I mean, 89 bucks. I didn't do much, so I haven't listed and I have not sent any offers. So part of this is my fault also. So 89 bucks on 10 orders. First is Loving Easter Greetings Girl dressed in white lilies blue cross. So pretty much, I would call this really a generic greetings. It is a tux. Don't know the artist if there is one. And $5.25 on a best offer. This is Rabbit, Jesus Christ. Rapid City, South Dakota, Cozy Court, Cabin, Cottages, Motel. There's that on Highway 1416, $6.99 for that card. I'm trying to stretch this out, make it at least a 4-minute video. This is the Turkey Cavalry of the Ottoman Empire, Constantinople, so Turkey, World War I era, maybe a little bit before. $12.99 for that card. Willow Park, Pennsylvania. This is a trolley terminal speedway boat ride. I think Willow Grove Park there is now a shopping mall on the park location. $9.99 for that card. Elizabeth, New Jersey, Broad and West Grand Street, Pennsylvania Railroad Station. And that sold for $5 on a best offer. This is San Francisco, California. Chinese children in holiday attire. Chinatown, 1906. $7.50 on a best offer. Patriotic July 4th greetings. Soldier Boy, 1776 firecracker. And that sold for $11. Patriotic George Washington taking command of the army. It's a tux card. Kind of poor condition, $6.59. Those are normally about $8 or $9 cards. Paducah, Kentucky, Irvin S. Cobb Bridge over Ohio River. $5.99. And this is Wellsville, Missouri. Vintage view of Hudson Main Street Cars IGA Market. There's the IGA Market. What is that, 60s, 70s? $5 on a best offer. And the last card, Comic Cats, No Ma'am, We Ain't Seen Your Birdie. Artist signed Grace Widersheim. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not. She's the Campbell Soup Kids artist, so you might be able to see that a little bit in the face of the cats. I've sold this card before for like $12 to $15, but it's kind of in bad condition with the postal ink cancel on the front. So that's why I went for $4.99 on a best offer. So there you go, right at about 4 minutes. Horrible day. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Hopefully I'll send offers today. Hopefully that'll kickstart some sales. But again, I think it's people would much rather spend, I mean, they wouldn't rather spend $5 on a gallon of gasoline. But if you need to get to work, $5 for a postcard or $5 for a gallon of gas. Pretty easy choice. Okay. See, I stretched that out to 4.5 minutes. Have a good day.